Naysha Nicole if you're new, and if you're not new, hey boo. On my channel, I post lifestyle tips, story times, and anything else I want to put on my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing Chloe Ting's 2-week shred challenge, where I do the same workout routines for 2 weeks. Chloe Ting is an Australian YouTuber who does health and related videos, and she does challenges here and there, and all of them are free. Good thing about her challenges are that you can actually do all of these workout videos at home. So 2 weeks ago, I finally decided to get myself back in shape, finally, and I came across Chloe Ting's 2-week shred challenge, and so I decided to give it a shot. So I grew up very active. I was always in sports or just very active moving around. I've done basketball, track, volleyball. After high school, I did a little bit of Muay Thai, some boxing, and all kind of sorts. So I've always been kind of active. Now getting older and becoming an adult, you're working more. You kind of don't have time to like really work out. Now as I got older, I of course started to work more, and I didn't really make working out a big priority in my life like how I did when I was younger. But I'm getting back into shape and back into fitness. So continue watching and see how I did on this 2-week shred challenge. But before I show you guys some clips of my workouts that I did during this 2-week shred, if you guys can give this video a big thumbs up, it does help my channel out a lot. Plus, your girl did work up a sweat every workout I did during these 2 weeks or whatever. So yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get started in this video. The first 3 days of this challenge was pretty hard. They were the hardest 3 days, and I did sweat out a lot. I did take a couple breaks within the first 3 days, and I think for someone who is normally active or grew up very active, I was pretty out of shape, and my body had to kind of get used to working out. Workouts were pretty hard, but the hardest thing was getting the motivation to actually get up from my bed and actually doing these workouts and turning on the video to actually work out. Instead of staying in bed and watching another weight loss challenge from another YouTuber or watching any other YouTube videos, that was the hardest thing for me, to actually get up from my bed and getting up and turning on the video for me to actually do a weight loss challenge video. But once you get over that, you guys, and you're actually doing the workout, it becomes a lot easier. So once you get over that, you'll be fine. So I personally did the low impact version of every workout so I can ease my body into actually working out and not just, you know, strain a muscle or anything. So I did the low impact in the very beginning. As I build my strength up, that's when I could do the workouts normally. I also didn't do any jumps in any of the workouts as well because I couldn't jump in my place. So yeah. So let's get into what I ate during this whole 2-week shred challenge. So I personally feel like if you're gonna do a Chloe Ting challenge or any kind of weight loss challenge, I think you should try to eat healthy, or try to eat as healthy as you can. If you look through Chloe Ting's YouTube channel, you can see she has some videos of Chloe Ting's health tips, Chloe Ting's fitness tips, and she actually shows you what she eats herself to stay in shape. So if you're kind of lost on what to eat or how to eat during a weight loss challenge, or if you just want to lose weight, I'll actually screenshot one of her videos that she shows you simple ways to stay in shape. Now fortunately for me, I've lost a good amount of weight before, and so I did have an idea on how to eat during this 14-day program, weight loss program challenge. So I kind of knew how to eat and how to meal prep and what my body likes for me to lose weight. I ate things like chicken, broccoli, salads that I liked. I ate healthy pasta that I made. Everything that I meal prepped, I actually made at home myself. And I also stayed in a certain calorie every day. I haven't drank soda soda in so long. I drink a lot of water. I meal prepped for every week, which did help me not eat junk food or help me not want to eat bad food or go off and get a cheeseburger, anything, because I already had my meals prepped for me to eat for every single meal of the day. And honestly, you guys, working out put me in a better mood. Working out helped me not be lazy. Working out, waking up early to start my day. Y'all, my body woke me up early every morning. I literally will wake up without my alarm around 6:45 to 8 in the morning every day, whether that was me working out before I went to bed or working out the day before that morning. My body just woke me up early every day. I literally will wake up and my dog is still sleeping and snoring, and normally he's the first one that wakes up and wants me to walk him every morning. And I was up and ready to go. I had so much energy and I felt so much better about myself. My mood was up high. I was ready to start my day and I felt even better about my body. But now I'm gonna show you guys some pictures of some before and afters that I took of myself before I started this 2-week challenge and now. And I'll put them right next to me so you guys can see the comparison and the difference. So in these before and after pictures, you can definitely see in my after picture, like my definition in my back popping out, the definition in my shoulders popping out, my abs are poking out. And also I don't have any love handles anymore within 2 weeks, which I think is so crazy. But that just shows this fitness challenge does work. And I'll also put in another picture that I had taken 2 months ago, which I used on one of my videos as a thumbnail, where you can see my face is a little fuller. And honestly, my cheeks have always been full my whole life. It runs in my family. We have some cheeky cheeks. But I'll post a picture of the thumbnail where you can see how full my face looks and how full my cheeks are compared to now, where now my face is more defined and you can see that I have lost some type of weight. And so if you look at those pictures that I just showed you guys from now looking at this video, like my face has gotten more defined and people can tell, I can tell that I've gotten more in shape. And I try on my clothes on, I can definitely tell that I've lost some inches on me. And so yeah, this challenge definitely worked out for me. So I would definitely recommend this challenge to anyone who is wanting to lose some weight or wanting to feel a little more better about themselves. It's up to you, girl. But the reasons why I would recommend this challenge is, 1, is at home. You don't have to leave your home. So then 2, you're saving gas. 3, there's options to do the low impact instead of hard, intense workouts. And 4, this 2-week shred challenge is very effective and it actually works. And also, if you do work a lot, as I do, this gives you an option of when you can do workouts and get in shape on your own time. So if you work at night, you can do this in the morning before work. Or if you work all day and you don't come home until super late, you can always do this workout right before bed. It's on your own time. And so when you do try this challenge, you guys, you are gonna see results like within the first week, I would say, because that's when I seen results on my body. And you might get a little bit lazy because you're thinking probably, oh, I'm losing weight, like, oh, this is exciting. You guys keep going until the end of the 2 weeks, because your results after 1 week, yeah, they're good, but your results after 2 weeks are going to be even better, and you're going to be amazed of what you could do and what you did after 2 weeks of this challenge. And if you are having a hard time finding motivation and finding that determination to work out at home because you are in the comfort of your home, you might get a little bit lazy. Like I said, that is the hardest part of actually doing this 2-week shred challenge. It's getting up from your bed or your couch and actually turning on the video and getting up and doing the workout. Find something within yourself, some type of motivation within yourself that you really want to do this challenge so you can be your best self physically. And that's the end of this video, you guys. Shout out to Chloe Ting for this 2-week shred challenge and for kicking my butt, girl, and getting me back in shape. This is a great starter for me to get back into fitness and getting my body to how I really, really love it. And yeah, getting me back into fitness. And to everyone else watching this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video because it does help my channel out a lot. Comment down below if you're thinking about doing this challenge or if you have already done this challenge. Let me know in the comments of what you guys did and what helped you guys out during this 2-week shred challenge. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.